Assalamualaikum. My name is Saad Amir and I read in pre-Cambridge 1. This is a working project dam and it made with thermopole sheet and metal sheet.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sheroz Ali and I read in class pre-Cambridge O level. This is a working model of dam. We made it with thermopole sheet and cover it with a metal sheet. We made dam for the purpose of producing hydroelectric power and for stop the flow of water. These are doors and there is a pump which flow the water. Thanks.
My name is Mohammad Awais. This is a beautiful tabletop water fountain decorated with artificial plants. We prepared it with thermocol and cement coated paint. We also used 12-volt pump to draw water and battery for working. The pump drew in the water. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Haider and I will read in class 5 star. This is our model. This model is displayed for checking water level in containers or tanks. We have used LED lights and provided earth. When water level decrease, the lights will starting off. This will show that the water level is decreased. This type of system are used in industries via super industries.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. My name is Daniel Tabassum and I read in class 5 star. Our model is water level. This model is displayed for checking water level in container and tanks. We have used LED lights and provided earth. As the water level decreases, the light will starting off. It will show that the water level decreases. This type of system are used in industry-wise super industry. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Arslan Haider and I deal in class 7 star. These are my good fellows Mashad and Muhammad bin Khalid. So, this is a sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant is purpose to convert sewage water into clear water. So, first of all, the pond. Here we collected the all sewage water of city. Now the water moves to receiving chamber. In this chamber, our process gets started. Now water moves to screening and grid chamber. In this chamber, all the big particles like plastic and branches get removed. Now water moves to screening chamber. In this chamber, the grease and oil will remove. Now water moves to primary sedimentation chamber. In this chamber, the big particles which are not removed will settle down. Now water moves to reaction chamber. In this chamber, the bubbles are only produced. Now water moves to secondary chamber, secondary sedimentation chamber. In this chamber, the scum will remove. Now water moves to filtration chamber. In this chamber, the water will be filtrated. Now my Muhammad bin Khalid will continue.
Next is disinfection chamber. Now harmful germ is removed. Next is distribution chamber. Now water is distributed to our houses. Next is control room. Here the process is controlled. Next and the last step is laboratory. Here the different tests have been done on water. Now water is pure.
My name is Mohammad Kashf Raza. I read in class 7 Sun. This is our model solar system. It is a beautiful project. In this project, we form solar system galaxy. The sun, the planets and all objects moving around the sun is called solar system. This is our galaxy called Milky Way. There are 9 planets in our solar system. In center, sun is present. Sun is a ball of hot and burning gases. It is made up of hydrogen and helium.
This is Ali Sher from class 7 star. This is our project. It is a working model of windmill. Windmill are machines that convert electricity by the power of wind. Wind turbines are operate on a simple principle. The energy from wind turns 2 or 3 propellers like rotor around a blade. There is a transfer. सिंपली हमारे पास ये मॉडल है हमारे पास विंड मिल का, हम इसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए कर सकते हैं इस्तेमाल. अब हमारे पास ये सबसे चीपेस्ट होता है और इसके लिए हमारे पास और भी बहुत से फॉर्म्स हैं जैसे हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, डैम्स, वाटर एंड टर्बाइंस एंड मैनी अदर्स. लेकिन ये हमारा सबसे चीपेस्ट है जिसे हम यूज़ करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. हम इन्हें उन एरियाज़ में यूज़ कर सकते हैं जहाँ हमारे पास और कोई रिसोर्सेज नहीं होते. जैसे कि अब हमारे पास कुछ एरियाज़ में वाटर, कुछ एरियाज़ में सन या कुछ एरियाज़ में विंड होती है. हम उसे विंड के एरिया में यूज़ करके वहाँ मतलब इससे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करके वहाँ की सिटी जहाँ मतलब बेआबाद होती हैं वहाँ हम इसे पहुँचा सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Abbas Rana. Welcome to the Garrison Science Expo. This is the human skeletal system. It protects our. This is the skull. It protects our brain. These are bones which provide the framework to the body. The longest bone present in our human body is femur, present in our legs. The smallest bone present in our legs is called stapes. Ribs protects our lungs and heart.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GSS. My name is Muhammad Daud Rashid. This is human skeleton system. This is called it protect our brains. These are bones. They provide framework to the body. This is longest bone in a human body, femur. This is smallest bone in the human body, stapes present in air. Beauty bone in human body is clavicle. Ribs protect heart and lung. Thank you.
My name is Bahadur. I am reading class 7 son. This is the model of earth cycle which shows the movement of water on above and below the surface water. This surface water, the sun which heat up the surface water, this surface water gets evaporated in the form of water vapor. This water vapor condenses air and cause raining. After that water is the soil and water into the water table.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hassan Rashid. I read in class 5 star. This is the model which shows the different layers of the soil called topsoil. It contains most of nutrients and water. It is dark in color and rich in humus. Seed germinates and the small roots of the plants are in this layer. The second layer is called subsoil. The seeping of water and bring mineral to topsoil is called subsoil. The third layer is broken of rocks and the last layer is unbroken of rocks. Underground water is collecting in this layer. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Moashir Umar. Welcome to Garrison system. This is the model which shows the different layer of soil is called topsoil. It contains most of the nutrients and water. It is dark color in rich humus. Seed germinates of the plant grow in this layer. The second layer is subsoil. The seeping water from the top soil and bring minerals on this layer. The third layer is broken rocks and the last layer is unbroken rocks. Underground water is collected on this layer. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammad Danial. I read in class 5. This is the model which shows the different layers of soil is called topsoil. It contains most of the nutrients and water. It is dark in color and rich in humus. Seeds germinate and root of the small plant are grow in this layer. The second layer is called subsoil. The seeping water from the topsoil bring minerals to this layer. The third layer is broken rocks and the last layer is unbroken rocks. Underground water is collected on this layer. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Meroz Ali. I read in class 7 son. Welcome to GSS. This is the model of earth cycle which shows the movement of water on above and below on the earth surface. This is the sun which heat the surface water. This surface water get evaporated in the form of water vapor. This water vapor condenses in the air and cause raining. After that, it is absorbed into the soil and enter into the water table. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahwez Hassan. I read in class 7. This is the model water cycle which shows the movement of water on above and below the earth's surface. This is the sun which heat up the surface water. This surface water gets evaporated in the form of water vapors. These water vapors condenses in the air and cause raining. After that is absorbed by the soil and enter into the water cycle.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Basit. I read in 7th class. This is the model of water cycle which shows the movement of on above and below on the earth's surface. This is the sun which heat up in the surface water. Water are evaporate in the form of water vapors, and this is water vapors in condenses in the air in the form of raining. After that is absorbed by the soil enters into the water table.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I read in class 5. This is a model which shows the different layer of soil. It contains most of nutrient and water. It is dark in color and rich in human. Seed germinate and root. The small plant grow in this layer. The second layer is subsoil. The seeping of water from the topsoil bring mineral to this layer. The third layer is rock and that
and the last layer is unbroken rock. Underground water collect in this layer.
My name is Mohammad Mohshim. I read in class 7 Sun. This is the model of human circulatory system. It is located in the center of chest. There are three layers of human heart: endocardium, pericardium, and myocardium. Pericardium protects the heart. It has four chambers. The two upper chambers are called atria and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. The function of heart is to pump blood and deliver to a continuous supply of oxygen. Heart receives deoxygenated blood and pumps into the lungs, into the body. Heart also receives deoxygenated blood into the body and pumps into the lungs. Heart maintains our blood pressure. Blue blood shows deoxygenated blood and enter into the heart. Red blood shows oxygenated blood. Thank you.
And Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GSS Science Expo 2022. My name is Muhammad Aun Hassan and I read in 6th class. This is a human skeletal system. This is our skull. It protects our brain. These are bones. These provide framework to the body. Bones contain bone marrow and provide red blood cells. Joint facility is movement. These are ribs. These protects hearts and lungs. The beauty bone are called clavicle, and the smallest bone in our body is called stapes, present in our ear, and the longest bone in our body is called femur, present in our leg.
Morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rai Araf Hassan. I read in class 6 star. This is a model describing difference between village and city life. Village life is representation of the rural lifestyle and the city life is representation of the urban lifestyle. The air and the water in the village is less polluted and the village environment is less noise, fresh air as compared to the city. You can see that the village have fewer facilities than the cities have medical treatment and education. City life is full advantages of life like education, medical treatment and jobs opportunities.
My name is Ahmed Salim. I read in class 6 star. This is the model of describing difference between village and city life. Village life is the representation of our rural lifestyle and the city life is the representation of the urban lifestyle. The air and the water in the village is less polluted and the village environment less noise and fresh air compared to the city. You can see that villages have fewer facilities than cities, special medical treatment and education. City life is the full of advantages like facilities, education, medical treatment, jobs, opportunities. Thanks.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Danani and I read in class 5 star. This is a working model of computer game. When we play in a while, this start working. There are also different levels of game and different games are also in it. When we change the trigger, the voice will also change in it. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Silas and I read in class 5 star. This is a working model of computer game. When we play in a while, it start working. There are different level of game. Different game are also in it. When we change the trigger, the voice will change on it. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Maaz Arshad. I read in class 5 star. This is a working model of computer game. When we play in while it start working. There are also different level of game and different game are also in it. When we change the trigger, the voice will also change.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali. I read in class 5 star. This is a working model of computer game. When we play in while it start working, there are also different level of games and different games are also in it. When we change the trigger, voice will also think. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khuwaib Ahmed. I study in class 5 star. This is a working model of walls. It works with electricity machine. We can produce walls. We can also prepare at it home. The liquid consists of shampoo plus water. It mix it well. It will produce walls. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mumtala and I study in class 5 star. Our model is the bubble machine. This is a working model of bubble machine. We can produce bubble. We can also prepare at home. The water consists of shampoo and water mix it well. It will produce bubble. When the wheel is rotate, bubble produced. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Assalamu alaikum. This is working model of street lights to show the supply of electricity for domestic purpose. My name is John Abbas. I am group leaders. Me and my fellows have prepared this model. First of all, we supply electricity through ports and connecting wires and applied voltage 7.4 volts. I use two copper wire coils which produce wireless electricity and blink LED light. This electricity supplies into houses and street lights. I have connecting the Bluetooth amplifiers with two speakers. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Bilal. I read in class 7 star. This is my model. My model name is voice changer. It is a working model of voice change. When you will speak, our voice will be changed. It is very interesting. You can try. These types of applications are used in mobiles, PCs, and computer and etc. This is a battery for used working. This is a battery of 9 volts. This is a speaker. This is a different button of changing voice. This is a electric wire. This is an electric circuit.
This is the plug off and turn on switch. This is the on switch and this is the off switch. This is the microphone. It is very interesting. You can try, please.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Suleiman and I read in class 7th. This is my model. My model name is voice changer. It is the working model of voice chain. When you speak, our voice will change. This application is used in mobile. It is very interesting. You can try.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Haider. I am a student from class pre-9th. This is a working model of electric model park. Everything works with batteries and then transferred to houses, street lights and this park. This is a swing. Under the swing, I have placed a DC motor. When I will switch the button on, it will start working. Here I have made a dragon ship. Under the dragon ship there is also a DC motor. When I will move it upward, it will also start working. I have also placed some big lights, street lights and colorful lights. And for giving beauty to my project, I have placed all the wires underground. Underground wiring is a little bit expensive but good for society. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nabil and I am reading class pre-Cambridge. And we made a working model of escalator. We made up of interlocking steps powered by an electric motor. Electric motor give power to the gear and it turn to the chain and stairs go up and down. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Garrison School System 2002 Expo. My name is Abdullah S and I read in class 5 star. This is a working model of rotatory motion. This is a motion when occurs when something moves on its axis. It is a phenomena when something is moved. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Garrison Science Expo 2022. My name is Junaid. I read in 7th Sun. This is the model of air cooler. Air cooler works on principle of evaporative cooling. Evaporation of water is used to cool the air. The flowing water absorbs the heat from the warm air and starts to evaporate. It will produce cool, fresh and moist sand which throw a fan.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Garrison Science Expo 2022. This is a model of air cooler. Air cooler work on the principle of evaporative cooling. Evaporation is used to cool the air. The flowing water absorbs the heat from the warm air and starts to evaporate. It will produce cool, fresh and moistened air which is thrown through the fan. An air cooler consumes 10 times less energy than an conventional air conditioner. Thanks.
My name is On Muhammad. I read in class pre-9th Sun. Today my project name is fire alarm. This is circuit. This is on off button. This is transformer. This is switch. This is water pump. This is fire alarm, and this is fire protector. On the lighter. Thank you.
And Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Awais Syal. I read in class 9th Sun. Today my topic is vacuum cleaner. This is motor, this is button, this is battery and this is box. Now it works. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umar Abdullah. I read in class pre-9th Sun. This is coil, this is motor, this is LED. Then coil is moved, motor is also moved. This is LED and its work.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Zain Abbas. I read in class pre-9th Sun. My project name is DC motor. DC motor stands for direct current motor. The instrument used in the project is transformer, capacitor, switch and motor. When we turn the switch on left side, it rotates in clockwise direction. When we turn the switch on right side, it rotates in anti-clockwise direction and produce electricity. Electricity stored in capacitor and fan will be work.
And Assalamu alaikum. My name is Matab Haider. I read in class pre-9 star. Today the topic of my model is rain detector. This is the part of rain detector. This is battery, this is switch, this is transistor, this is ICC chips, this is jumper, this is wires and this is called a rain sensor. जब हम इस बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो इसके अंदर एक LED लाइट है छोटी सी, वो ऑन हो जाएगी. हम इसके ऊपर पानी फेंकेंगे तो एक अलार्म बजेगा.
जब हम इसके ऊपर पानी रिमूव कर देंगे तो इसके अंदर सिर्फ एक LED लाइट जलेगी. थैंक यू.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Hassan and I read in 9th class. My model name is projector. I tell you material we can use in my model. First of all, light, object and magnifying glass. First of all हम लाइट को ऑन करेंगे. जब हम लाइट को ऑन करेंगे तो ऑब्जेक्ट से जब पास होगी लाइट तो मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास में लगेगी. मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास में है कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस ऑब्जेक्ट को बड़ा कर देता है. वी कैन सी इट.
Morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Hussain Abbas. I read in pre-9 stab. My model name is relay model. When switch is on, this is a button, this is a button. When press करेंगे मोटर रोटेट करेगी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होगी. दिस इज़ अ डोर बेल. ये हमारे घरों में भी इस्तेमाल होती है. ये सबसे पहले ग्राहम बेल ने इजाद किया था. ये टेलीफोन है. थैंक यू.
Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Hassan Babar. I read in class pre-9 star. My model name is DC motor. DC means direct current. This is rotator. This is coil. This is armature. This is current producer. When we switch the button, when coil is rotate anti-clockwise and clockwise. When over supervisor name.
Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Mibas. I read in class pre-9. My name is Ismir Bas. I read in class P9. My model name is FM transmitter. FM stands for frequency modulator transmitter. This is battery, this is transmitter, and this is antenna, and this is microphone. You can hear the voice from the hand-free.
ये मैंने FM ट्रांसमीटर का अभी तजर्बा किया है. ये इनकी आवाज़ आ भी रही है और बहुत क्लियरली आ रही है. इस एफर्ट में ग़ुलाम मुर्तज़ा साहब और ये जो बच्चे जिन्होंने बनाया है बहुत अच्छी एफर्ट है इनके ज़हनों को उजागर करने की और इसमें ये मेरे ख्याल में भी और तरक्की भी करेंगे. शुक्रिया जी.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Danish Tabassum and I read in class pre-9 son. My model name is AC generator. AC generator means alternating current generator. This is rotor, this is coil, this is magnet and this is armature. Let's start the working. When we on the button, the rotor move and the coil also moved with the rotor and produce electricity. The electricity goes through this wire and when we on this button we can make electricity in this and electricity is passed through this button and when we on this button the electric bulb glow.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. माय नेम इज़ ग़ुलाम मुर्तज़ा. आई एम फिज़िक्स टीचर. ये सारे मॉडल्स जो हैं वर्किंग मॉडल्स हैं जो हमने इसको बनाया है और इसकी में वर्किंग की है. सबसे पहले जो है हमने फायर अलार्म बनाया है. उसके बाद हमने ये वैक्यूम क्लीनर बनाया है, मोशन सेंसर, डीसी मोटर, डीसी जनरेटर, alternating current generator and AC motor, rain detector, projector, LDR model. These are all working models. मोशन सेंसर की बात करें, मोशन सेंसर में ये होता है कि हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट को ये कोई भी किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको ये सेंस कर लेता है और उसकी पिक्चर ले लेता है. पिक्चर लेने के बाद क्या करता है ये उसकी वॉइस जो है उसमें से आती है और ये कैप्चर कर लेता है ऑब्जेक्ट को. जैसे हम देखेंगे पीछे हटेंगे तो क्या वॉइस नहीं आ रही. जब हम इसको करीब करेंगे कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है तो इसको डिटेक्ट करेगा. डिटेक्ट करने के बाद फ़ौरन वॉइस प्रोड्यूस करेगा. ये कहाँ पे इस्तेमाल होता है? ये हमारे जो है हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ कॉलेजेस में जब हम एंटर होते हैं तो ये अलार्मिंग के तौर पे गेट्स में यूज़ किए जाते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. दीज आर ऑल वर्किंग मॉडल्स.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Garrison School System Science Expo. We have made the models of our biology subjects. There are several models. We have created the model of mitosis, several bacteria. We have written the name of our country, our surname and Science Expo 2022 by using bacteria in their medium. We use a light microscope in which we can see these bacteria. And this is the model of drip irrigation system. And this is the model of in the mitosis, first of all, chromatin condenses into chromosomes in the first phase, prophase, and then it goes into the metaphase in which spindle fibers are come together and chromosomes are attached to spindle fibers. In the next phase, anaphase, the chromosomes are separated into their next poles. Each chromosome is
get together in one pole and the second one is in their pole. In the last phase, telophase, the two cells are differentiate from one cell into the same number of chromosomes as present in parent cell. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Garrison Science Expo 2022. My name is I, studying class 9th. I have prepared a project on irrigation. Irrigation is the process we can supply water artificially to crop yields in the plants. Two methods of irrigation, traditional method and modern method. Traditional methods such as mode and chain pump, and modern methods such as sprinkler and drip system. It is a drip irrigation system. Okay. Two branches of irrigation system, surface irrigation and subsurface irrigation. Surface irrigation, where water is applied and distributed over the soil gravity by the action of gravity. It is the two types, flow irrigation and lift irrigation. Flow irrigation, where water is available in high level but it supplies to low level by the action of gravity, and lift irrigation, where water is available and it is lifted upward by the mechanical methods such as turbines and motors. The advantage of irrigation: increasing production, employment, improved water domestic supply, and disadvantage of irrigation such as seepage of nutrients and waterlogging. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Garrison School System Science Exhibition 2022. My name is Hamza Aslam and I read in class pre-9, and I have prepared a model on DNA, the molecule inside cell that contain the genetic information responsible for the development and function of an organism. DNA transfer information from one generation to the other generation. The discovery of DNA double helix structure is credited to the researchers James Watson and Francis Crick. DNA is the abbreviation of deoxyribonucleic acid, phosphate, sugar, and nitrogenous bases. These three make the structure of DNA. It contains four types: guanine, cytosine, thymine, and adenine. Guanine and cytosine attach together, and thymine and adenine attach together. These two is called double helix, and this strand is called nucleotide strand. And hydrogen bonding work, these bases attached together. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Manali. I read in class pre-9 and I have prepared a model on ATP. ATP is abbreviated as adenosine triphosphate. It provides energy to a cell to perform different functions. ATP is a molecule for storing and transferring energy in cells. It consists of phosphate groups, ribose, sugar, and adenine nitrogenous base. This P is called the phosphate, and this is called the tidal bond. When one tidal bond breaks, it produces 7.3 kilocalories. Ribose contains 5 carbon sugars, and adenine nitrogenous base contains 4 bases: cytosine, guanine, thymine, and adenine.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hadi Sultan and belong to class P9 Sun. This is my project. Its name is dialysis. Dialysis does the job that is normally carried out by the kidney. Sir, this is artery, vein, semipalmar membrane, urea. Sir, the blood who contain nitrogen waste go to the semipalmar membrane through artery. Then the semipalmar membrane separate the nitrogen waste in the form of urea. Then it pure the blood, and the pure blood go to your body through vein. And this process is doing when the kidneys fail. And this process is called dialysis. And we have two types of dialysis: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis, and we are doing hemodialysis. It works to keep a contained level of such chemicals such as sodium, potassium, and bicarbonate. Thank you.
And Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Garrison Science Expo 2022. My name is Muhammad Walid Abdullah and I belong to class pre-9th star. This is our project and its name is Human Circulatory System. Human circulatory system consists of heart and blood vessels, which are known as arteries and veins. There are 4 chambers of heart: right atrium, right ventricle or left ventricle. The sound of heart is lub-dub, and the weight of human heart is about 250 to 350 grams in average. The normal heartbeat rate for adult ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute. The muscles of heart are known as cardiac muscles, and heart is a muscular organ and located in the chest cavity on left side.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Murtaza. I read in class pre-9 star. There are two types of blood moves through the heart: oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood. The left side of the heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the body in a pathway referred as systemic circulation. The right side pumps oxygen-depleted blood from the heart to lungs. Thank you.
Carry deoxygenated blood and the artery carry oxygenated blood. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Manak Tar. I read in class pre-9th Sun.
Our topic is network topology. Network topology has four types: star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, and bus topology. Ring topology. In ring topology, each computer is connected to the next computer, with the last one connected to the first. A ring of computer can be formed in this way. Her advantages are it has equally access of network in a ring. Disadvantages are it has failure of one computer effect on the whole computer in the ring. In a unidirectional ring topology, data can be sent in one direction, and in a bidirectional ring topology, data can be sent in any way. Thank you, sir. Please.
My name is Ali Akdas and I read in class pre-9 son. This is my project of network topology. Network topology has four kinds: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology. Bus topology. It is the simplest type of network. It supports a small number of computers. All the devices and computers are connected to a common communication medium. This medium is called bus or backbone. If there is any problem in one computer, it does not affect another computer. But if there is any problem in bus, it destroys all the system. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Santarik. I read in class pre-9 star. My project is computer hardware. So what is hardware? What is hardware? The physical parts of computer that we can see and touch is known as hardware. This is DVD drive, this is a hard drive, this is power supply, these are RAM slot, this is a type of note bridge, this is a note bridge, this is a cooling fan. When computer heats up, it cools down the computer. Under this note bridge, there is a processor. These are VGA slots, these are serial port, these are USB port and network port. These are audio line in-out mic. All of this is called a motherboard. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Tahir. I read in class 3 son. My project name is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a technique in which water flows through a filter into special drip pipes. The goal is to place water directly into root zone and minimize evaporation.
Morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Malaika Mujahid. I did class 1 and today my project name is drip irrigation system. Drip irrigation is a technique in which water flow through a filter into special pipe The goal is to place water directly into root zone and minimize the evaporation. Thank you.
Alaikum. My name is Abdul Momin and I am reading class 7. My project name is a windmill. Windmill is a machine that converts energy from wind used to work by rotating. Windmill used for grinding, rain, pumping, water and generating electricity. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zarasif. I class name 1 star. My project name is windmill. Windmills are machine that convert energy from wind into useful by rotating. Windmills used for grinding, rain, pumping water and electricity. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Haya Fatma. I read in class 1 son. My project name is electric board, and electric board is any board or ship whose primary propulsion technology is an electric drive system. Electric boards used to be good for just pressing around. Electric boards don't require any fuel and are a great way to reduce water pollution. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatma. I study class 1 son. My project name is electric board. An electric board is any board or ship whose primary propulsion technology is an electric drive system. Electric board used to be good for just cruising around. Electric boards do not require any fuel and are a great way to reduce water pollution. Thank you so much.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zayur Abbas. I read in class 2. Today my project is City Life and Village Life. Village life is the representation of rural lifestyle, whereas city life represent an urban lifestyle. People in villages are less busy than those in big cities. Village is less polluted than cities. Thank you.
My name is Huram. I read in class 1 noon. This is a fun land. There are many swings in it. We have a lot of fun in it.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Garrison Expo.
My name is Samir Sultan. I read in class 3 star. The model name is the extractive system. Is a passive biological system that remove excess unnecessary material from the body fluid of an organism so as to help maintain internal chemicals homeostasis and prevent damage to the body.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Abia Zara. I read in class 2 star. My model name is plant structure. Plant have two major structural system: the root system and the shoot system. The shoot system transport water and nutrients to leaves and flowers. Thank you. And assalamu alaikum. My name is Arshbaz. I read in class 2 star. My model name is plant structure. Plants have two major structural systems: the root system and the shoot system. The shoot system transport water and nutrients to leaves and flowers. Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Arfa Qureshi. I read in class 2 star. My model name is seed generation. The process of seed developing into new plants is called germination of seed. All seed need water, oxygen and right temperature to germinate. Thank you.
Morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Ariba Fatma. I read in class 2 Moon. My project name is MS Habitat. A habitat is an environment where an organism lives throughout the year or for shortest periods of time to find a mate. Habitats are characterized most often by climate and location. Some animals build homes in their habitat: desert habitat, land habitat, water habitat, mountain habitat, cave habitat. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Momna Masood. I read in class 2 Moon. My project name is Animal Habitats. Our habitats is an environment where an organism lives throughout the year or for shorter periods of time to find a mate. Habitats are characterized most often by climate and location. Some animals build homes in their habitats. This is a desert habitat, this is a land habitat, this is a sea habitat, this is a mountain, this is a cave.
Morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Tamim Hassan. I study in class 2. My project is to structure teeth are hard mineral structure which are used to chew food. They are not made of bone. They have their own unique structure to break down food. Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Hassan. I study in class 2. My project name is landscape. Our landscape is part of their surface that can be wide at one time from one place. And natural landscape is made up of collection of landforms such as mountains, hills, plains and plateaus. Mountain, stream, river, desert, sea, forest.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashraf. I read in one class 4 season. Spring, summer, fall and winter follow each other regularly. Each has own light temperature, weather pattern repeat yearly. Robot. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Aliyah Azbat. I read in class 1 star. My project name is transportation. Transportation is used for moving of people, animal and other good from one place to another. Land transport, air transport, water transport. Thank you.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Saad Amir. I read in class 5. This model is about types of soil: the sandy soil, clay soil, loam soil, black soil, grey soil and red soil and brown soil. Brown soil is good for tea, coffee and rubber, coconuts. Red soil is good for rice, wheat and sugar cane. Grey soil is
rocks contain different mineral in them. So soil too has different color. They can be black, red, gray, and brown or brown. Black soil is good for clay soil. Clay soil has a lot of clay particles. Sandy soil has more sand particles than gravel. Its color is usually brownish or gray.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Subhan Ali. I read in class 5. Welcome to GSS Science Expo 2022. This model is about types of soil: sand soil, clay soil, and loam soil, black soil, grey soil, red soil, and brown soil. Brown soil is good for tea, coffee, rubber. Coconut soil is home to a variety. And red soil is good for rice, wheat, and sugarcane. Gray soil, rocks contain minerals in them. So soil to have different color. It can be black, red, gray, or brown. Black soil is good for crops like cotton and sugarcane. और ये clay soil has a lot of loam soil consists of a balanced quantity of sand, clay, or humus. और loam soil consists नहीं ये clay soil has a lot of clay particles. Sand soil is grow for then gravel.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Zafar. I read in 6th N. Welcome to the GSS Science Expo 2022. This is the model of the greenhouse. Greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when energy from a planet's sun goes through its atmosphere and warms the planet's surface. But the atmosphere prevents the heat from returning in a warmer planet. We prepared it with wood and polythene bags. It is where to show it is trapped too close by Earth's surface by greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases 1. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapors. Thank you. This is model of climate change. Climate change is a long-term heating of Earth's climate. The temperature of Earth is rising day by day. We have shown the ozone depletion. One side is desert and the other side is showing the melting of ice caps on the land. It is causing global warming. Thank you.
Morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fraz Hamza. I read in class 6 section Sun. This is model of climate change. Climate change is a long-term heating of Earth's climate. The temperature of Earth is rising day by day. That is why there is change in climate. We have shown the ozone depletion through the soul. One side is desert and the other side is showing. If the melting ice cap from the poles, it is causing global warming. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Adnan Nawaz. I am in class 7 San. This is a model of pollination. Pollination is a transfer of pollen grain from mentor to stigma. Self-pollination. The transfer of pollen grain from mentor to stigma of the same plant flower is called self-pollination. Crop pollination. The transfer of pollen grain from mentor from flower to the stigma of the flower of the same kind is called crop pollination. In this model, we have made two flowers with a carton and show the different part of flower. Agent of pollination such as insect transfer of pollen from enter to stigma.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abbas Raza from class 7 Sun. This is a model of pollination. Pollination is a transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. In this model we show the self and cross pollination. Self-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of the same kind of flower is called self-pollination. Cross-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of another flower to the stigma of the same kind of flower is called cross-pollination. In this model we have made two flowers with curtain and show the different part of flower. Agents of pollination such as insects, the transfer pollen grains anther to the stigma. Thank you.
My name is Fasi Ahmad. I read in class 4 Sun. This is a beautiful display model of flower. The purpose of exhibit is to identify parts of flower: sepals, petals, pedicel. I use thermocol sheet to prepare it.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. I read in class 4 star. This is secondary desert habitat. This is place that do not get much rain. They are dry. They are hot and dry place. Camel is a common animal is of desert habitat. Cactus is a plant which grow here. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Bil Umar and I am from class 4 Sun. My model is chairlift. It is a lift which consists of circulating steel wire rope loop between two ends. A motor is used to move the lift clockwise and anti-clockwise. A DC is clockwise and AC current is used to reverse. A motor is used to a battery is connected to the motor. Types of lift are helpful when two people need to move forward opposite end.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Majid. I read in class 5 Sun. This is a model of seed germination. Germination is a process in which an organism grows from a seed. Seed germination is a process in which ant developing into a new plant. Soil and water help to seed to germinate. First seed plotted absorbing water first seed plotted water to germinate. First seed plotted absorbing water from soil and convert into embryo. Embryo is first organ which is appearance when seed is germinate. Cotyledon is scarcely present into soil and it help to provide nutrition. Next roots start downward into soil. Cotyledon and which supply water to plant. Next roots start growing. It produce food and is called adult plant. This is all about seed germination. My name is Mohammad Wais Hussain. I read in class 5 Sun. It is the model of coronavirus which shows the structure of corona. These are the spikes of protein which give the appearance of crown. Coronavirus causes the disease called corona, in which person will develop mild to moderate illness. The symptoms of corona are cough, fever, tiredness and loss of taste or smell. This disease is treated with vaccine. Thank you.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Sachadat. I read in class 5 Sun. It is the model of food chain. Food chain is a process. The grasshopper eat grass, frog eat grasshopper and snake eat frog. Eagle eat snake. This is called food chain.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Taki. There is a robot. A robot is a machine to do work fastly and speedily. There is a robot. There is a moving robot. We are astronaut.
My name is Hassan Azabid and I study in class 6. This is a model of electricity producer by hand working. Like this. This is the terminal. This is the terminal electricity producer and this is a electricity producer. Good afternoon and assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Azabid and I study in class 6. This is a model of plant cell. Cell consists of nucleus at side. It is large vacuole. Store food and water. It is a cell membrane. Store and provide energy. It is a cytoplasm. Jelly-like structure. It is a centrioles. Triple tubulus make one centriole. It is a ribosomes. It is a endoplasmic reticulum. It is a Golgi bodies. It is a cell wall. The hard outer covering made up of cell wall. It is a cell membrane. The inner layer which protects cell. Thank you.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad. I read in class 6 star. This is a display model of animal cell. Cell is a basic unit of life. Cell consists of nucleus at side. It is nucleus. It helps us to store and provide energy. This is mitochondria. It helps us to store and provide energy. This is ribosomes. This is cell membrane, the inner layer which protects cell. This is spores. This is Golgi bodies. This is endoplasmic reticulum. This is vacuole. This is cell membrane. Thanks.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Tariq and I am from 6 star.
Today my topic is animal cell. Cell is a basic unit of life. Cell consists of a nucleus, pores, nuclei, which provide energy, food, and water. This is mitochondria. This is pore, cell membrane, the inner layer which protects the earth. This is vacuole. This is mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. This is Golgi bodies. And this is the pause.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdurrahman Jamil and I read in class 6 star. My model name is human respiratory system. It is a biological system or gas exchange. We breathe in oxygen and carbon and exhale carbon dioxide. This is called respiration or gas exchange. जब हम नोज से सांस लेते हैं तो जो एयर है वो ट्रैकिया से होती हुई लंग्स में आती है और जो लंग्स है वो पूरी बॉडी में भेज देते हैं और फिर जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होती है वो लंग से ट्रैकिया से होती है नोज से बाहर हो जाती है नोज से रिलीज हो जाती है दिस इज़ वर्किंग मॉडल Thanks.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Habib and I read in class 6 star. This is the model of human excretory system. The organ system is responsible for excretion of waste is called excretory system. The process of elimination of metabolic waste products is called excretory system. Excretory system includes one pair of kidney, a pair of ureter that carries urine, a urinary bladder that stores urine, and a urethra that throws out urine. Thank you.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Shan and I read in class 6 star. This is the beautiful presentation of life cycle of frog. For making this model, we use charts and hardboard. Life cycle of frog start when frog lays eggs. Eggs change into the tadpole, look like fish. And after some time, tadpole legs is grow and froglet is formed. Froglet has all circulatory and respiratory system and has long tail. And after some time, froglet is changed into adult frog. And this process is called life cycle of frog. Thank you. And assalamu alaikum. My name is Jamal Ashraf. I read in class 5 star. Welcome to GSS Science Expo 2022. This is structure of eyes. Lens is used to focus different layer of eye are also shown. The inner liquid is now as vitreous of chamber. Thanks.
Look, my name is Kumail Hussain. I read in class 5 star. Welcome to GSS Science Expo 2022. This is a structure of eye. Lens is used to focus different layers of eye are also shown. The inner liquid is known as vertices of chamber. Thanks. This is a cornea, lens, pupil, converta, atrina, ventral body, and optic nerve. Thanks.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Muhid. I read in class 4 star. This is our model. It is about open and closed circuit of electricity. This circuit is made up of battery, switch and connecting wire and device such as battery. This is all from complete path. When we press the switch, bulb close, the switch current does not flow through circuit and glow due to wires which is provided by battery through connecting wire. This is my presentation. Thank you.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali and I read in class 4 star. We made square root machine. It shows square root of number. It is mathematical offside of number. It means the number on which square is written is multiplied by 2 times. Thank you. Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmed Kawar. I read in class 4 star. We made square root of machine. It shows square root of number. It is mathematical offside of number. It means the number on which square is written is multiplied by 2 times.
Morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Garrison and I read in class 4 son. My topic is pollution and its type. This is a model showing pollution and its type. There are 4 types of pollution. This is land pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and air pollution. Define pollution. Pollution means to make environment dirty. Thank you.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Umar Masood and I read in class 4 son. The topic of my speech is pollution. This is a model that's showing pollution and its types. There is 4 types of pollution. This is land pollution, this is water pollution, this is noise pollution and this is air pollution. Define pollution. Pollution means to make environment dirty. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Susan Habib and I am reading class 4 star. This is a model of human system. This is nervous system. This is muscular system. this is ribs, this is lungs, this is stomach, this is small intestine, this is kidneys, and this is skull, and this is brain.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Moiz. My project name is Save World. My fellow name is Abdullah Arshad and Hassan Raza and Abdullah Amjad. Do not litter. हमें कचरा नहीं फैलाना चाहिए. Don't cut tree. हमें trees cut नहीं करना चाहिए. Save water. हमें water save करना चाहिए. Save animals. हमें animals save करने चाहिए. And हमें ऐसी चीज़ें लेनी चाहिए जो जिन्हें हम recycle कर सकें. और हमें कहीं पास किसी के घर जाना है, किसी के घर जाने कहीं पास तो साइकिल पर जाइए, पैदल गाड़ियों पर न जाइए, पोल्यूशन फैलाए और प्लांट्स ग्रो करें.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Arshad. I read in class 4 star. My model name is Save World. Save World. This is beautiful model of Save World. This model show how we can save our save world is the only planet which can sustain life on it. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Raza. I read in class 4 star. My fellow name is Abdullah Arshad, Abdul Muiz, Abdullah Amjad. My project name is Save World. Our earth is polluted by human activities and now we have to save earth, our world. Special steps is called which protect our world.
And Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Amjad. I read in class 4. That is my fellow Hassan Raza, Abdul Moiz and Abdullah Arshad. My project name is Save World. We can grow plant and tree and avoid to cut the tree. We must stop wasting water and not pollute our water bodies by dumping water in it. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu. Welcome to Garrison Science Animation. My name is Aliyada. I read in class 4. Sir. This is automatic teller machine which is used with draw cash. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Subhan. I read in class 4 son. This is a automatic tally machine which is used to withdraw cash. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afsar. This is the beautiful model of digestive system. In digestive system, food is entered through the mouth and goes to esophagus and reaches to liver and lungs, and the waste part of material goes to small intestine and collect in gallbladder and released by rectum.
To Garrison Science Expo 2022. My name is Sadafid. I read in class 3 star. The name of my model is skeletal system. The skeleton is the internal framework of the human body. It is composed of around 270 bones at birth. The human skeleton performs 6 major functions: support, movement, protection, production, and blood cells, storage of minerals, and endocrine regulation. Thank you.
My name is Faham. I read in class 3. My model name is digestive system. Mouth and liver, stomach, food pipe, small, large, small, or stomach. Oh, stomach. Anus.
Is Murid. I read in class 3 son. My model name is Faces of Moon. First new moon, winning crescent, winning gibbous. Third quarter, full moon. First quarter, waxing gibbous, waxing crescent.
My name is Muhammad Suhaib. I read in class 9 star. This is a working model of electric bike. 70cc bike converted into electrical bike. I replace engine with 60 volts, 500 watts, grade plus test DC motor. Motor RPM 450, 60 watts, 13 amps, torque capacity 300 kg, top speed 50 km per hour. I use 60 watt 20 ampere lithium ion battery. The battery cycle 500 kg. We charge battery at home 2 to 3 hours at home. Then it can give 50 km speed in hour. No fuel, no oil, no filter, no clutch. Pollution free, noise free, accident free, green energy, environmental friendly bike. Just 2 units were used per charge. Thank you. This is the escalator and battery produced by them.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Talha Rafiq and I read in class 7 star. Welcome to Garrison School System Science Expo 2022. It is a beautiful modern internal structure of stomach. Stomach is a sac-like organ of digestive system. It is present between esophagus and small intestine. It is present into the abdominal cavity. Its stomach store food and pass into the small intestine. Thank you.
Good afternoon and assalamu alaikum. My name is Husan Shah. I read in class 3. My model name is wind vane. There are 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Wind vane, weather vane or weathercock is an instrument are used for showing the direction of the wind. It is typically used as an architectural ornament to the highest point of a building. Thank you.